So in this short video, what I want to do is to show you exactly how you can edit your YouTube clip into a short which is under 60 seconds. So if you look at this video, it's 1 minute and 8 seconds, and it was produced from the editing and video creation tool which is called CapCut, and it was automatically edited from a long video, and it's a little bit long and it's not a short, so I need to edit it again. So once inside of your channel, what you need to do is to click on the title, and then down the left hand side you can see it says editor. So click on editor and it will open up all of the voice and images in this long screen here. So what you need to do in order to clip the video is press trim and cut, and you can see from the audio there is a gap here where you could trim the video there. So what you do is click on the part just before there to find out what is being said, and then you can listen to that part.
Now obviously
so if you listen to that part, what I'm seeing isn't relevant because it just says so if you click on the bit just before that and then click new cut, you get this layover, which is the bit that you can actually clip. So in order to clip the bit, you need to take out that bit where I am just saying which doesn't add to the video, and you can move the sliders to take the piece out. Click on the tick for cut, so that cuts that part of the video out. You just repeat that exercise until you get your video to the length that you need it, so in that it is under the 60 seconds. Make sure that when you're finished doing your edits, click save, and then it says you have to save the changes. It might take a while. Click save again, and that is it basically. So that is how you can take a clip from a long video, and I will record another video to show you how CapCut works, so that you can edit a longer video into shorter, under a minute long clips or shorts or reels for Facebook or even for TikTok. So then you can repurpose your content and move it to other channels in order to get more traffic to the longer content that you have. Hope that makes sense. See you on the next video. Bye for now.